guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Manikar. I'll be sharing some of the insights, learnings of CCBP 4.2 technologies. Uh, in the previous week, we have discussed about generative AI tools. So let us analyze and know something more about generative AI and its tools. So let us take a platform of ChatGPT today. So we will know some of the better understand about ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an open source, and we will discuss about its use cases. Uh, First thing you have to remember is ChatGPT is an open source platform where you can ask questions, then it will be replied based on your question. You have to remember the most important thing is the more detail your question will be, the answer will be more accurate, will be given. So ChatGPT takes a specific question to give a specific answer which we needed. So remember this thing is more expert in such things. I'm going to explain that. So note it down. Firstly, it is great in explanation. If you want any of the notes, it will be explained in an easy way and in a simple way. So the information will be straightforward so that you can understand easily. And if you want any examples, it will provide based on your question you asked. It provides the answer. So remember it. And second thing is suggestions. If you want any suggestions in doing some work or some any business or anything it may be, it will give some suggestions based on your request. The third thing is if you want to develop a project and you don't have the idea what to do next step, so you can ask that as the chat gpt to that, and you can get answers. So next is student timetable. Student can manage timetable, and if anything goes wrong, or if you want change any step or any timings of your timetable, it will be provide timetable and it generates timetable based on your timings, and it will edit timetable based on your requests. So remember it. And the last and most important thing is code generation. Student needs more important thing in generative AI is code. It provides good terminology in code, and it provides great code. Or code optimization will be provided, and if you want based on the question and based on your request, the code will be generated, and that's it. Stay tuned. Bye bye.